a whole prisoner escape and then government officials can take it from the whole of South Africa.
I just got a tip off that a journalist will interview Hopan on the day of the attempted escape. Tawla. Give my beats.
Awuye kulokungibizela ama-meetings angathi shu. Ma-meetings abheda ufunani?
Wonke umuntu la kasakhona ukusebenza ngenxa le-attitude yakhe. Bebona.
HR, you have to fight this.
HR ngiyolwa ngithini? HR basebenzi bakhe la kuconsa bangalaleli mina bangalaleli quiz.
CCTV izochaza yonke into eyenzekileyo. Kodwa sithando sami uba ayiyo le ndlela wena ochaza ngayo uyayazi uba uStan yangareport. Umbethe ngempama nyani Stan. Indoda yonke lesithetha ngayo ngutata umntana wena yamkweka. No mehlisela isidima.
No, ubungekho. I was just defending myself. I just reacted.
Defending entweni? Ukwenza ntoni yena? Uzothini ke ngoku if Stanley lays charges?
Stanley's not going to do that. Wait, do you think what's angayenza le nto?
Another.
Fika. Wow. Fika. Yeah. Scheme. Scheme sabe. Scheme. Scheme. Scheme sabe.
Hayibo, ngibona Dona nje. Wena la.
I've been here since 5 a.m. sis.
What? Kwenenjani crazy brainwashilo? What happened to everything we spoke about at level? Did you call HR? Stanley.
Labantu base-HR did call me, but I told them kudele ngifuna ukureport. Sihle ngeke ngilahlekele umsebenzi wami mina. Phela mina ngifana nawe wena ungichisgirl award loot for wena.
I understand ngeke umvumele this bully to get away with this njani.
Isinqumo sami sengisithathile sihle. Ngicela question ukungathanda.
Okay. Uyophila njani? Ngemholo wa 10%.
Ngithathe loan le nto itawuthi hamo nje bese sithi hawu ewu mphathi sika right foot.
Ufuna ungitshela ukuthi umfado wakho nabantu abakho bahlupheka ngenxa yokuthi wena awukhona ukudimela njengendoda.
Setso go mane selo se sengwe le se sengwe se o se nyakang ka lelapa laka go lekane jwaje.
Pete.
I would not CCTV camera.
Hi, oh, you're going for breakfast.
Gopela the pancakes.
Khumeza, ngikawuthisha ke.
Wena uncede mina. Njengoba ungakwazi nokuzinceda wena isiqu sakho. Yewethu mapitsi, intoni kwenza ba ugcine i-footage ye-interview yakho kaRhupane? Ubuyenzela ntoni i-interview ba uzuyikhupha i-footage? Ufuna uthini uyigcina kwisazo zakho?
Watseba ka interview.
Speak your mind, but ngiyabona ukuthi khona okusesifubeni sakho.
And now you speak your mind, right? And I'm shouldn't been kongoto nguwe namhlanje, right?
Vele nje mawukuthi kumayelana noStanley, I don't want to hear it. uStanley is my employee and I've made my decision.
Because into engixakayo ndikwazi usuka kude noStanley nesiwa nivuka kunye. Ke ngoku ukwazi njani ukumphatha ngalendlela umphatha ngayo ngoku? Lubuvelwano. ibinhliziyo.
Zolo lokho wena ubuthi ngithatha ama-emotions wami ngiwabeka eceleni.
Kodwa
And
ngiyacabanga nawe.
in my experience, uzwelo alikhokha ama-bills. Ngokwazi kwami. Are you going to drink your coffee?
Right ngokuvuma. Ndinenye boss nje elawula ngeqodo, you know. So ndoyikisela umholo wami. Nabantwana nami mfana ndibacingela. Yini wazi aqhwatywa nangempama so ndi-right. Nkosi.
Ring ba tsofa so o ka re useless o ka re ra swanela go apara badge
ba ka gore ketela rena beile ya maleba tshegola.
Tarele mo go ga le gotla. Did you see how they were? They were very tense.
O ka reng tshegola ge e le gore maiteko a go tšhaba a bile successful.
But why would they keep it quiet? Especially when Ali Daiman o le gore o letetse Daideng trial. Maphodisa tshwanetse go tseba.
Gore nana tshegola sekebekwa se itiela shopping se ya di-restauranteng.
Oh, now welcome to South Africa because that is possible mo countryng e. Re tshwanetse gore tsafise Daiman, commander.
o se ka ba leka gape rena re batho ba mafelo ba e le gore o nkoko ga bona.
O nyaka go tšhala gore Daiman ga bone gore ba ga Maputla they are hiding something. Okay, goreng Mapitsi a obvisana le Daiman Gopane after she was supposedly kidnapped by some stalker from podcasting ya gago. And o sponsored the very same podcast. Go tshwana Daideng.
jwa mo tabeng a ke re ba re ntšhitše mo bonatong so bothata bo ke ba detectiveng e seng rena.
O added the subtitles for interview ya Gopane.
Yeah. Wa tseba ba re keng phone call ele ya go tswa kgolegong e ntšhošitše kudu maabane so ke nagana o swantse ke no dira ntho e and le gone ke fetse o bulela fence ne ke yana a tlo nthušang go uploada wa di tseba dilo tšeng. Yes ke a tseba Thibos o tlo tšhoga kudu
Ha o tlo tshoga.
nna ke kgopela gore wena o motho gore ke wena o nyakang gore ntho e ke poste thabela fence a tsa ke be ke nne o nyaka go kgopela tshwarelo tlhe for ka tsela e ke boletseng le wena le go go raya ka tšatši lela ke a tseba gore nkwatetse but ke kgopela gore o dule fase.
No. I will stand discovered.
What? Ke tla go tlhalosetša dilo ka moka go se no boga ntho eke okay.
I-Women's Month is actually isikhathi esihle kakhulu ukuthi celebrate abantu besifazane. I don't know if you guys remember the story about the great woman whose resilience led them to the union buildings. Tina-ke as Crazy Beauty, we offer softness, self-care routines ngama products ethu which are great for bonke abantu besifazane. And I was thinking that since it's Women's Month,
sorry, bengicabanga ukuthi mbono omuhle kakhulu loyo. Kodwa inkinga yami ukuthi ngeke ngize ngibe khona on Sunday because nginama commitments. Kodwa ngiorganizele ama-influencers aseqopheleni phezulu.
well, actually I don't think ukuthi sonke siyadingeka ukuthi sibe khona. So
okay, great.
Yeah. Khona into ufuna ukuyisho Stanley?
Cha mphathi. Engakusho nje ukuthi sengipackagile ngapha kuma gift for activations.
Okay, konje sifakani kuma gift bags?
I added hand lotion ne 3-in-1 le yabantu besilisa.
It's Women's Month and we're celebrating women. We're trying to make them feel special, but sifaki product yabantu besilisa. It doesn't make any sense. Inobulima phakathi. It's
Crazy nguwe locela ukuthi sifake men's range.
okay, so angisayikhumbula into engiyikhulumayo mina nengiyenzayo. Shuthi ngiyagula ngekhanda.
How Stanley has a report to do. Well, this is all too much work nje for ilanga linye.
Kahle, what are you? Uma wakhe noma uyi-guardian yakhe? Mtshele ke makaboy ukuthi ngithe mangabe ehluleka ukwenza umsebenzi akayeke.
Craziness.
Oh, well, unfortunately, ke tshwanetse ke kgonne go tsogomana before ba bušetša gopane di seleng ya gage.
Mapitsi.
Phantse ke leswabe. Ke a tseba gore o nkwatetse tšhomi yaka. Wa tsa nkebe ke go boditše immediately ge polokwane prison ba mfounela, but nna ke be ke sa tsebe gore ba nyaka gore ke mo interview that same day. Ka go kgopela fentse. Nna ke be ke nagana gore motlhomong kgopane o ne o nyaka go kopana le nna fela go bona gore ke nna motho o mohuta mang, but ge ke fitlha kua ba ntse ntšhe ka re ga room e nngwe so go setse go ne le di-camera le di-microphone ba le ready.
And as monna wa gage le nna ke be ke setse. So you can imagine gore ke be ke kwatile bjang.
This is scary. And it's so dangerous. Empa, it's podcast gold.
O nagana jwalo?
Yeah. Wa bona mokgotsi, after ntho o fetileng ho yona, ke so ke encourage gore it's ntho ena hape.
Yeah, mara fence bona like I post. Yeah, I mean Mapitsi convinced me gore ke yona.
But nna ke tlhoka thuso ya gago go e uploada. Ke tlhoka gore o e package gabotse, o e dire professionally, e bontšhagale gore ke podcast ya rena e.
Say no more, my friend. I want to podcast it. It's a golden one. Chemi ka bona. Wa bona ntho o fetileng ho yona. After this, I tlo hlanda wire. I am telling you. Tough time. Rest in peace. It's our time to shine.
Yeah, they're a really good supplier. Reliable, affordable. And I don't know if you've seen, but our books show that we're making really good profits.
That's music to my ears. Tell me something. Do you know what's going on with Stanley? I saw him very emotional yesterday.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, he was close to tears while he was dining with Sihle. Like, what's that about?
I didn't see him. I was in the kitchen.
You know, seeing a man at that age close to tears, it's not a pretty sight. He said something about his daughter being sick.
Shame, man.
I think it's just work stress. I heard him talk to my home girl, I think.
Banzile, why are you eavesdropping on our customers? Like you are right now.
Oh no, I'm sorry. I thought I was just helping. I couldn't hold it in anymore.
Okay, njengoba usola nayo maybe ungachaza ubekhalelani impela because I don't buy le story sokuthi umntwana wakhe uyagula.
It's work related. Maybe bakhuluma nge-HR or something like that. Yeah.
Please, I'll make the payment. Ngokwami?
Yeah, ngikubonile ukuthi awukaphumanga for lunch njengawo umuntu.
Sihle. Ngiyabonga ngengwane. Ngithanda ukuxolisa kuwe ngendlela lengikhulume nawe ngayo eLeon.
Akunange ngiyakubona nje ukuthi u-stressed ngoba impilo yakho yonke le.
Yeah, kuthi nje angifuni kumcasula mphathi nifonele labantu be-HR.
Stanley, angeke ngikufostele ukuthi uye ku-HR. Kepha ngiyakucela. Ngicela utimele. If not for yourself, umndeni wakho. You don't deserve konke lokhu lokwenzakalako.
Lo muntu nindoyikisela uba ndinguye akekho apha. Isendini, lo nkosi nimaziyo. Stanley, ngicela.
Mhlekazi, i-report yami ayikapheleli. Samele ngipackage nalama ama-gift lawa.
Stanley Butties. On Sunday. Yes. Njengomntana Nkosi. Njengendoda ibhekisa kwenye indoda. Cela uxolo ngale meko sizibona sikuyo.
Mhlekazi, i-fault yami yimi engimcasulile. Umphathi, I'll take it like a man.
Hayi. Ayikho loo nto. Xa uyeka into uzotake it like a man, ayikho loo nto. Ndizothetha naye Khwezi. Uthi at least ndizozama ukuthetha naye. Andithandisisi le ndlela akuphethe ngayo. Ibamba. Nansi intwanana ndingakwazi unceda ngayo.
Into le Mhlekazi.
Yabazi ubunzima zomuthwala yonke into. Ukubhatala ama-medical bills umntana uwedwa. Ndicela wamkele olu ncedo. Ndicela.
Nkosi.
Uzobona bhuti wam.
Ai, a batla ka jula yona ba se re di profeta. Wewe.
Ga se Rachel ola go tlhoka mogolo magong. Ka re ga mmopola o ke bo sa tla ka mo wa re tshela stoko nka be re shumile ga botse.
Ai, se se ntse re shume se. A ka sala salary na.
Ka se gapeletse gore batho ba tle moki. Le wona go sala dilo tse dintsi tse di shotago ka maro santse re di lokishe. Re no ba re tlhaela ka tšhelete.
Ya. Se ntse re tharollo se. Ka re shopo itlo wa ke bone botse.
Wa magong. A se o sona se ka se kgonege ka re nna lapa la ka ka moka re kethegile ka lona lebenkelele.
A le nna lebenkelele ke le tlhoka. Le mdiela bophelo bo bokaone le nne.
Thobela batho besho wa tseba le ka se kgole seo customer ya ka impontshitse go sona ke eng sona se gona re tshushi
Ke gopela gore re botse gore ga botse Felix Kopane ke mang?
a go ngwampotse mo ba lapa la geno le godisa bana ba lena bjang ka gore pele ba ile rage bjale setse ile mapitsi ke ka baka la eng ngwanola a ile a dira poledišano le Kopane
Go bule ntwe re bone tla bona. Bula.
Hagala sister. A ke re ke tlile mo go tlo reka data gore ke bapale. Mphe data.
Re ke tla bula ka ya.
Osema. Mphe data sis.
Oh, okay. Hey.
Kuchiranyana go le bothata re ka ke ra ja.
Ga bone bothata mapitsi. Ke nya go botsa gore ke se se mo gape se se go shampo go lo feta. Ke le baka la gore ke be ke thusha batho ba setšhaba sa PF.
All right guys, on your way out.
Bye. Hey, namsinga says. Yini vele la?
Hey, ihlisa liphimo. Imali.
Ibe bani ube crazy?
Hayi.
Usho ukuthi crazy ube nanembeza. Wathi siyakubhadala.
Hayi, nginikethe umhlekazi. Uyangisita nje ukuthi ngivala amabhizi ami.
Uyathi uthi yini understand? I-bribe. Kuthi uvale imlomo ungasho lutho, especially about the slap.
Hayi ngwane. Mhlekazi uyangisita la. Futhi uthe Khwezi akadi futhi akafuna ati.
Kholwa lofuna ukukholwa. Kepha mina ngiyakutshela. Those two bayafana, they cut from the same cloth. Badlala ngawe labantu. Khwezi wathi kahle ukuthi this is going to save her from HR.
What's a podcast on Ayahola, guys?
Yeah, no, I've never seen
so impressed.
More than 1,000 views ka 1 minute.
Because of title that thing so catchy. You khone jwa mara. Bohloko, tronko. I'm so impressed. Ke mo founela.
Tshwarelo. Thobela.
Ke leboga go postile poledišano.
Wala se gore le mphile tshwaetso akere. And le gona keng le tlo mfounela tšatši le lengwe le le lengwe.
Wena go ka tswalela molomo ka seo se diragetseng nakong ya poledišano gomme re tlo kwana.
Go lokile.
Ke eng o sharp? O fumane backlash because of interview postile.
Oh, nna ke sharp.
Guys, bonang 23,000.
A refreshing.
What?
A refresh.
Job well done, girl.
Stanley. Sengize ngiyahamba manje ngekhaya. Kodwa ireport yakho ayikho edeskini lami.
Uxolo mphathi, ngisaqedezela ukupakisha lama gift lawa wama 3-in-1 for Women's Day. Umphathi bethe uyadinga nawo.
Stanley ngikhathela amaphutha akho. Wenza isiqiniseko sokuthi uyangi-emaila leyo report before midnight. Just make sure you're here before harm.
Umphathi. Yazi noma umphathi usakhumbula ukuthi saqala kanjani la ekhaya. Kwakuyimina nje nawe kuphela bengekho bonke abanye abantu. Namaphutha ami wayengekho ngaleyo ndlela.
Manje Stanley uthi angenze njani? Uthi angishaya ngathi angiwaboni lamaphutha owenza manje. Angikhostayo. Kahle kahle uthini ufuna special treatment?
Cha mphathi angisho njalo. Ebengikusho nje ukuthi umphathi akhumbule uhambe silihambile ndawonye sisobabili. Umane ungizwele u50%.
Stanley, oh no, please ngicela uphakame. Wenzani?
Mphathi ngiyacela. Noma sekuthiwa wenzele mina. Cela wenzele umndeni wakho.
Umndeni wakho ungathini mangasukubona ubhizi ukhothama lapha phambi kwami? Hayi Stanley. Buphi ubudoda bakho?
Ngiyacela mphathi.